Yes, I am the Rocket Man, and it's time to take flight as we go on a journey through Rocket Lab. Yes, Rocket Lab, is this a stock to buy or is this a stock to forget about? You're going to find out right here, right now, as you either fly to the moon or you explode into space and never to return. It's one or the other with Rocket Lab. Let's get to it. We're going to do a stock analysis on the stock. We're going to look at all the key metrics of this company, from the revenue to the net profit to the free cash flow to shares outstanding to the return on invested capital and everything in between. And if you stay right to the end, I will give you the possible intrinsic value of this company looking right now and into the future. And you can make a decision for yourself whether the Rocket Lab may be a stock for you to do more research on, or if you already got it, see if it's still a stock that you should be investing in. Let's get to it right here, right now at Barry Charles. Remember to like and subscribe if you like the video. Let's go. Yes, Rocket Lab, the company that keeps on giving. Yes, Rocket Lab needs to really get us excited about this company. It's been around for a while and hasn't really gone anywhere. Well, we're going to have a look at the stock right now. We're going to start looking at the revenue side and see if space is the future. Yes. Revenue is 211 million, expected to increase in 2025 to 2023 to over 250 million. So they continue to do very good revenue wise, but net profit is where it is, minus 135 million. So that's something they're going to have to continue to work on to be profitable, because at the moment they're not profitable. So it's going to be interesting to see if this company can get itself to profitability, and that's what you want. Earnings per share at the moment is at 0.26. The stock price is around $3.48 at the lows and $8 at the highs. So at the moment you're getting it not quite the middle, but a bit lower than the middle. So possibly a positive there for you if you're looking at the stock to invest into, not financial advice. Short interest is at nearly 7%, so a bit of short interest there. It's held by 17% of insiders and then 55% in institutions. So institutions really like the stock. Now, don't ask me why, because I might have a different opinion to that. But anyway, institutions love the stock. Maybe they're just hoping for a miracle and the stock's going to turn around and go to the moon. No PE, obviously no one making no money. Dividends, no dividends. Assets, they have 981 million in assets compared to 282 million in total liabilities. So well done. This is one of the most impressive ones I've seen. That's very impressive, very good. And that's something that you like to see, nearly a 4x on the liabilities. Not quite, but 3 and a bit. Very good between there. But free cash flow down about 53 million and 100 million in long-term debt, which is not high, so that's not a major. But yeah, free cash flow, they got to work on getting that free cash flow coming to us. 476 million in shares outstanding. Getting diluted the last couple of years, so that's not a good thing at all. So something to really look into when you want to buy the stock. Return on invested capital minus 31. Yeah, bit of issues going on with this company clearly, and be something you're going to have to think about long and hard before you invest into Rocket Lab if you're willing to take the risk on this stock. Well, let's have a look at a bull case for the stock. The stock is space is the future. Yes, they're going to continue to take flight there as they continue to develop all things that are space related that are needed for the satellites and everything. Satellites are going to boom, continue to boom as the world around us gets more excited about space. Or is this just an absolute joke and this company is going to run away into the sunset, into negative. Yeah, to me, Rocket Lab's a bit of a need to do more research. I think before I'd be looking at investing into this company. But let's have a look at the possible intrinsic value of Rocket Lab. Yes, That's what you're all here for, the intrinsic value. Well, we're going to look at a stock price of around 440, just to give you an idea. At the moment, the earnings per share is negative 0.26. Yes, so the earnings per share was negative, not positive, sorry. For earlier on, growth rate of 5%. You're looking at a stock at a great price of minus $5. Then if you're looking at a 10% growth of the same metrics, you're looking at nearly a minus $8 stock. So what do we need? We need some positivity. Let's get to 0.15%. Let's get to positives. Where are we? We're at fair value, 450. So at the moment, you're really only at fair value. So does that mean you should buy the stock? Maybe not. But if you think it's going to fly to the moon and just take on and go 0.5, you're looking at a $15 stock. And if you make it a 20% growth rate, then you're nearly looking at a 20-something plus stock. So that's where we're at with Rocket Lab. So where is the future of this company? Can we see it fly? Can we continue to see improvements? To me, it's a bit of a mystery. More work to be done in terms of my summations on Rocket Lab. Plenty more work to be done. Obviously, if they get the profitability, that'll be a start, and then you'll see this really skyrocket. But it's very much a spec play. If you think this is a stock maybe you want to take a punt on and put a little 1% in your stock market with another 9 other stocks and hope one of them goes to the moon, then this might be the stock for you. But to be absolute non-risk stock, it's definitely very high risk stock. Could disappear in the future or could be an absolutely outstanding stock. But would it be an Apple? No. But can it go well? Yes, it could. It could at least go here. But if I'm looking at my own price range, if I'm being fair income at the moment, I'd be wanting to at least get it at $1, $2 for me to really think, yes, this is worth taking the risk. At the moment, you're only getting fair value at best, or you're getting under fair value. I mean, you're getting over fair value. It's overvalued right now. But if it was starting to be profitable, we're only just getting to fair value. So that's probably what people are pricing in. They think eventually we'll get to fair value and it goes past that. Then maybe the stock you can say it's a double up from here on a long-term basis. But to me, with the metrics at the moment, I'm not convinced that this is the stock to be in. But don't follow this random guy on YouTube. Make your own decision before you invest into any stock. Do it at your own risk. But thank you so much for joining me here at Barry Charles. We get all your financial education right here for you, right on this channel. Hopefully you got something out of today's video, and you can look at all other stocks on this channel. I do it 3 days a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for you, right here on Barry Charles. Have a great day out there.